Every single time you chat with an AI, whether you generate an image or use some kind of app, even just say please and thank you to it, there's a huge thing happening behind the scenes. There are like massive data centers and thousands of servers that turn on and do some kind of thing just to answer what you want to tell ChatGPT, Gemini, any type of AI. But the thing is, how much energy does that actually take? Well, me and my group in our presentation today are going to be talking about what AI actually is and how much energy does it use. AI stands for artificial intelligence, and it's basically like a computer system that is made to do some kind of task that would normally require human intelligence. There's things like understanding language, solving problems, making decisions, or recognizing images, which is most of the common ones that everybody knows. Most AI modern models like ChatGPT use machine learning and neural networks trained on like a massive amount of data, but the most important part is that the more advanced an AI model gets, the more computation it needs, the more electricity it consumes. The next generation AI grows faster, and its impact on global energy also grows massively every single time. AI doesn't run on your phone or on your laptop by itself, but it runs inside these giant data centers, which are just buildings filled with thousands of servers, powerful chips, massive cooling systems that run every single day, all day, every second. These facilities consume enormous amounts of electricity just to operate and to prevent overheating, and training AI models are one of the most energy intensive tasks inside of these data centers. According to the International Energy Agency, data centers use about 1.5% of all global electricity in 2024, which is around 415 terawatt hours, and this number keeps rising and rising as generative AI becomes more popular. People may be asking, like, why does AI use so much energy? Well, that's because to train AI models, computers must perform trillions of calculations, and I mean trillions. Generative AI, the kind used for images, text, and videos, which everybody knows, is especially energy hungry because neural networks are huge. Carnegie Mellon University found that generative AI can use about 33 times more energy to complete a single task than regular non-AI software, which is an insane amount. And the energy use keeps rising because training requires larger data sets, more complex computations, more servers running, and more cooling to prevent overheating. These systems are very powerful, but they're also so extremely energy inefficient, and the better AI gets, the worse this problem becomes.
As we know, AI systems require a large amount of energy, and most of this energy comes from fossil fuels, especially coal and natural gas. These fuels are harmful because burning them release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gas, which traps heat in our atmosphere and increase climate change. Coal and natural gas also produce air pollution that can be harmful to human health. Another problem is that they are a non-renewable source. They come from underground fuel deposits that take years to form. To lower this impact, data centers are shifting towards renewable energy sources like solar and wind.
There are several paths to justice being taken right now regarding AI. These include transitioning AI to clean, renewable energy. The International Energy Agency, the IEA, reports that data centers use about 415 terawatt hours of electricity per year, and that demand may double by 2030 if it's unregulated. The IEA also suggests switching to renewable energy sources such as solar or wind, which reduces emissions and protects nearby communities. The IEA is also requiring transparency from big tech about energy and water use. Research also shows that AI-driven data centers use enormous amount of water and are often placed near low-income or marginalized communities. Some justice-focused solutions include environmental impact reviews, community consent, and limits on water use during drought.
AI is transforming our world, but its energy footprint is growing faster and faster, much more than what people realize. If we do want to continue having a sustainable future, we need smarter AI, cleaner power, more energy efficient, and real transparency in our world.